The word we'll be learning in this section is kuiki, which you will often hear in city planning contexts, real estate discussions, and when talking about zoning in urban areas. The word kuiki means an area or region. It can refer to a geographical zone, a district, or a designated space within a city or place. It's used when talking about specific parts or sections within larger spaces. The first kanji means a ward or division, like a part of a city or a separated section. You can see it used in chiku, where it marks a district or neighborhood, and in kubetsu, where it adds the idea of dividing or distinguishing things. The second kanji means an area or region, a more general boundary or domain. It appears in ryoiki to mean a territory or sphere of activity, and in kaiki to indicate a specific sea area, so it gives the sense of a defined zone. This is a safe area. ここは安全な区域です。ここは安全な区域です。This area is a commercial zone. この地域は商業区域です。この地域は商業区域です。Walk in the city area. 市内区域を歩く。市内区域を歩く。Enter the strategy area. 作戦区域に入る。作戦区域に入る。The most common synonyms of the kuiki are area and gyoiki. Area is a borrowed English word meaning area and is informal, often used in casual conversations. Gyoiki carries the nuance of territory or domain, implying ownership or control over the space. The most common antonyms of the kuiki are muchitsujo and mukandi. Muchitsujo refers to disorder, indicating absence of a designated area or organization. Mukandi means lack of management, suggesting chaos or lack of control over an area.